Medication module. The medication or prescription details for the patient can be recorded here. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patient's list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the medication module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Medications. Click on the Add icon to enter medication information. In the medication field, the users can see a drop-down of the codes and details that have been previously entered into this module by them. The user can either search and select from drop-down list or from the databases, or they can enter details manually. The medication module is supported with the Rxnorm code database, which is universally recognized medical codes databases. An additional option, medication code, is also available, which provides users to select the previously added and uploaded codes from the setting page. Add strength to the medication prescribed if required. You can also add the quantity and directions to use or SIG code, which are mandatory fields. For certain drugs, these fields are auto-filled. Click on the More option to add or remove fields for more information to be recorded as required. The details of the refills required for the medication can be recorded here. If the doctor feels that this particular medicine could be used in a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. You can also click on the education link, which is available for certain medicines, to learn more information about the medicine. Click on the favorite icon here to view the favorite medications stored and labels created. Click on ellipse icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Click on Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time. Before completing the health record, if the user wants to delete or edit any of the information already added, click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon to delete the details. To edit details, click on the already saved information, make the required changes and click on Save. You can click on the ellipsis icon for more options. Select the e-prescribe option to set up and start e-prescribing drugs. You can click on the medication code option to view the medicines added or imported from the settings page. Medicines can be added to the folder from here too. Clicking on the Add icon will enable you to easily import the information into the module. You can click on Email Pharmacy option to share the prescriptions details with the pharmacies. Once clicked, the list of already saved pharmacies will be visible. You can also click on the Add icon to enter new pharmacy details. You can select an existing hospital staff or add new pharmacy information, and once saved, it will be displayed under Favorite Pharmacy folder. You can click on Message icon and confirm to send the prescription details to the respective pharmacy's email. Here, the patient will also be notified that their prescription details were sent to a pharmacy. To print details, click on the ellipsis icon and select Print Medications from the drop-down to print the complete details. Clicking on Print Visit Medication option will enable you to print the details of the medication prescribed during the current visit alone. The print option will also be available in the bottom of the page. You can navigate to a new health record, and this data will be visible in the new EHR and in all future health records for this patient until marked as ended. To end medication, click on the previously saved information to confirm if the medicine has been ended or not by the patient. Once completed, the details will be moved to the past folder. You can view the past completed medicine information by clicking on the ellipsis icon and selecting the past ended medication option from the drop-down. You can view the details of all the ended medications so far. Clicking on the Add icon will also enable you to easily import the information into the module.